In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use hashtags in Microsoft To Do to your advantage. Now, Microsoft To Do is a versatile and user-friendly app that helps organize your tasks with ease. To get started, you'll want to open the Microsoft To Do app from your Start menu, provided you have already downloaded it from the Microsoft Store on your Windows device. If you haven't downloaded it yet, no worries, you can also access it on the web by visiting todo.microsoft.com. Once you've navigated there, you'll need to sign in using your Microsoft account credentials. This account is typically the same one you use for Outlook, OneDrive, and other Microsoft services. Simply click on the sign in button, enter your email and password, and just like that, you'll have access to your task list ready for action. Now let's dive into using hashtags to turbocharge your task management. Hashtags in Microsoft To Do can elevate your organization game by grouping and categorizing tasks in a snap. All you need to do is add a hashtag symbol followed by a relevant keyword to any task. When you're creating or editing a task, simply type the Napolov symbol and then your desired keyword within the task title or in the notes section of the task. This handy feature allows you to create a system of organization that transcends the boundaries of individual lists. To retrieve these hashtags when you need them, use the search bar to type in the hashtag, and voila! You'll find all related tasks conveniently brought together. The beauty of this system is in its simplicity and power. There are several key benefits to using hashtags. First, task grouping becomes a breeze. You can gather all tasks related to a specific project or topic by simply adding the same hashtag to each of them. Next, you have quick filtering at your fingertips. Just click on any hashtag to instantly view all tasks associated with that category. This makes it super easy to focus on what's important without getting lost in a sea of assignments. Searching for a specific hashtag also boosts your efficiency. You can quickly retrieve a collection of tasks that are related to the keyword you're looking for. Hashtags offer a way to connect tasks across different lists, providing a unified view of related items and making it easier than ever to manage complex projects with overlapping elements. In summary, embracing hashtags in Microsoft To Do can revolutionize how you organize, search, and complete your tasks. It's all about creating an intuitive task management experience that integrates seamlessly into your workflow. Give it a try and watch as your productivity takes a leap forward, all thanks to the humble hashtag. Enjoy this newfound organizational power as you master Microsoft To Do.